What causes them to vibrate at that frequency? Brake dust accumulation, so low quality brake pads or low quality brake components that allow for excessive dust and excessive dust accumulation will cause it to vibrate in that frequency, and then you'll start to hear it. Water, if brakes get wet, they can be a little bit noisy until they dry off. So if it's raining outside and you back up, you get the you know, I mean, if it only happens once, I wouldn't really be concerned about it. There's not a whole lot we can do other than replace the brakes, and it may not necessarily be worth that. Overheating absolutely will cause noise. Most brake pads are made out of a ceramic material, and if you overheat them, then they harden into basically glass. If you've ever ran your thumb across glass, you get that right? So if brake pads get overheated and therefore hardened, then they can make noise. Also, if they're